Right, hello, quick video. So this is the elbow, sits on the back of the supercharger. On the side of it here is a little outlet for the vacuum pipe that goes to the brake servo. I need to replace this. Apparently it's a fairly common problem. The part you want is this little bushing here. This I had to hunt for, so I'm really hoping and praying it's the right one. But this is the part number, Charlie 2, Sierra 15816. That is listed as the part for diesel and petrol V6, V8, S-types. I believe it fits any of the cars with that engine, but doesn't list anything for the V8, so let's see. Plastic in a bit comes out with a little bit of persuasion from a screwdriver. There we go. And then this, I think it's like a bronze bushing. I'm going to attempt to deform a bit with a screwdriver and a hammer. Just doesn't want to work. Can I get to the inside of it? Not sure. Oh yes, I can. Okay. So what I'm actually going to do, I just found there's a seal inside. Get rid of that seal. That's probably the bit that's actually failed. Yep, that's definitely failed. It's coming out in bits. Very hard, plasticky bits. Let's see if we can grab hold of that. Yeah, yep. Small bits. Let's just get the whole thing out and we'll worry about that bit afterwards. So I'm going to try and go on the inside of the collar and just tap it upwards. Here it comes. Go on the other side now. Right, that was harder than it needed to be, but you can see we did manage to deform it a little bit to take it out. The inside of that I'm hoping isn't too scored. Nope, that's fine. I might just run a bit of Scotch-Brite in there just to clean it up, and then we'll put the new bushing in. Right, clean it up with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. Let's see if this is A, the right part, and B, fits. I don't want to lose any parts from this. This was about £12, so I'm going to put a link in the description box below if anyone else needs to do this job. You can see the little seal in the bottom there, which is actually rubber, as I can see from here. So that one that I've taken out that is hard, feels like hard plastic. Yeah, that'll be why. Now, best way to do this, in my opinion, come over to my messy toolbox. I'm going to find a socket that fits that perfectly. I think we're going to go with a 10mm. So that sits on there perfectly. I don't want to deform this top edge because obviously we've got to get the pipe in there, so that needs to stay as perfectly round as possible. It's going in. It's just having trouble with my vice. Let's rearrange that a little bit. There's an elbow there. I'll try going there. See if that helps. We're nearly there anyway. There we go. That worked. As you can see, hopefully in the camera, it hasn't deformed it at all. So the only other thing we've got to do then is push this little bit in. That should just clip in. Fixed. And that is simple as that. Unfortunately, it does look like in order to do that job, you need to take the elbow off the car. I'm not sure where this elbow is, where this part is on the V6 petrol and diesels. But yeah, hopefully a bit more accessible than on the Supercharged V8.